Hello guys, now I'm with Kintara Rakin for 3 semester 8. Okay bro, Kintara, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, now I'm going to interview you for with some question.
Yeah.
Okay, the first question, what are your tips for quickly adapting and surviving in the campus environment?
Okay. I have a tip for you. One of my main tip is stay open-minded and proactive, and don't be afraid to give a question to your lecturer in a class and talk to other people.
Okay, next question. How do you divide your time between coursework, organization, and personal time?
Okay, I usually make a weekly schedule and I block time for manage the course time, class, organization, and personal time. And I try to stay organized using planner or planner app in a Play Store. A lot of the app, and I also make sure to include the personal time to rest or do things I enjoy, like my hobby, playing game, uh, hang out with my friend.
Okay, next question. What do you think is the most challenging subject in your major?
Okay, for now, I think statistics, because you uh, you wrong at the number of the data, you failed the assignment the task. Yes, that's simple of that make fail your assignment.
Okay, next question. What is the biggest challenge you have faced in college and how did you overcome it?
One of the biggest challenge, I think, uh, manage your time to do like complete your assignment, your task, and your personal time. Like you want to hang out, but your task, your assignment is a lot, and you must manage the time. You have to do complete the task and your hobby.
Okay, last question. How to build good relationship?
How to build?
How to build
How
good
to build a good relationship. I believe the building a good relationship is start from respectful and be a good listener. Yes. And I try to be open and kind and helpful when interacting with other. Be fun with each other.
Okay, I think that's enough bro. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for your time ya bro.
Okay.
See you.
Anytime.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon.
How are you bro Kiki?
Yeah, I'm good. Feeling good for this afternoon.
Yeah. Now I am going to interview with some question.
Yeah.
Okay, the first question. What are your tips for quickly adapting and surviving in the campus environment?
For me is tips, right?
Yeah, tips.
For tips, I think just doing everything that you think that is important to you. Yeah, just that.
Okay, next question. How do you divide your time between coursework, organization, and personal time?
For me, there is a way to do something that more structured. That I usually use, like scale priority in my day, and using schedule on my phone to reminder me what I'm going to do in that day.
Okay, next question. What do you think is the most challenging subject in your major?
Of course, maybe this is the basic answer for all of the English education students. I think that is grammar, because grammar in high school and in university is totally different, and I think that is the most hard. That is the hardest.
Okay, next question. What is the biggest challenge you have faced in college and how did you overcome it?
For the first time, my biggest problem is how to divide the time between the university and also university task and also the organization or crew or staff that that I think that makes my brain burn out. And for me, for now, I just have the strategies like I used to tell to you before.
Okay, last question. How to build good relationship?
For me, how to have a good relationships is just being nice to everyone and just being nice.
Okay, I think this enough, Bro Kiki. Thank you for your time. Assalamualaikum, teman-teman. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Great.
Yeah. Now I'm going interview you with some question.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. The first question, what are your tips for quickly adapting and surviving in the campus environment?
First of all, you need to have a good self-regulation
Yeah.
because if you want to survive, if you want to adapt, you have to have a good self-regulation. Like you should know what to do and what not to do. And then the second tips is that you need to find friends, true friends, not friends that will throw you to the hollow pit of naughtiness or something like that. So you need to find a good true friends, and not only friends, I suppose, because you are living in a new environment, you have new neighbors, you have new people around you, so you need to be able to being kind to all people. You must not be some kind of like arrogant kids from other town because people around you will not like it. So yeah, in bahasa Sunda we know it as like somea,
Yeah,
you need to be like that. So you have people on your back so that you can adapt and you can survive easily in a new environment.
Yeah.
That's all.
Next question, how do you divide your time between coursework, organization, and personal time?
Alright, so in my ways to divide my times to some things important in my life is just by seeing which one is more important to be done first. For example, if I have two duties, two assignments, both from my organization and my campus, I just I just try to find out that which one needs to be done first, which one is harder than the other, which one is more urgent than the others, and which one needs to be done by me myself only, or it can be helped by other. So based on that classification, I can divide my time and still having my free time alone or with my friends.
Yeah. Okay. Next question. What do you think is the most challenging subject in your major?
The most challenging subject in my major, I think it's gonna be statistics, because I love English. So the hardest English subject in my major is not as hard as statistics, because it's a biased answer because I love English. So statistics is the hardest subject that I have had in my college time.
Okay, next question. What is the biggest challenge you have faced in college and how did you overcome it?
The hardest challenge I have ever faced in my college time, probably when I need to do my research and I was lazy because I was lazy. The thing that the thing that I do to overcome the challenges are just remembering that my parents sent me to Bandung not only to being lazy, not only being so messing around, not only to hanging out with my friends, but to go to college so that I can get the knowledge that I intend to. So not only reminding those things, I also work with my mates, with my peers to do it, so that I could decrease the laziness inside myself, so that I could write it down until it's finished.
Okay, last question. How to build good relationship?
To build good relationship is just to understand what people think, to understand what people are. Sometimes if we use our feelings way too much, like, oh, why he's such he's such a bad person, something like that, it's because we don't understand him. Maybe he has backgrounds, maybe he has reasons to do something bad like that. So I've heard once from my senior, if you want to build a good relationship, beside by understanding what other people do, what other people say, we need to be able to control ourselves first, because we cannot control what people say, we cannot control what people think, but we can control our own minds, our own sayings, and something like that. So that's all. You don't need to be rigid, you need to be flexible if in building relationship with others.
Okay, Bro Tama, I think that's enough. Thank you for your time.
Alright.